What does it mean when we have one blinker that blinks faster than the other one? Typically that fast blinker just means your bulb is out. We can check our turn signals. Very simply, we're gonna turn our hazard, our four-way flashers on. You can see our turn signals in the back are working. But up front, we only have the left one. The right one is out. Our right front turn signal is out, so we're gonna replace the right front turn signal. Let's pop open the hood. And on this is a 2009 Honda Accord. And to replace this, very easy. We're just gonna take the coolant tank here. Just kind of pull up on it. The only thing that holds this bottle in is this groove right here in the groove in the plastic bottle right here. It just slides right into this metal. Just slides right into this groove, so make sure that gets back into there when you put it back together. You can see the connector to our turn signal is right in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna reach our hand right in there. We're gonna turn to the left, just like that. Okay. To get the bulb out, same thing. We're just gonna, I usually just push in just a little bit. Be careful, don't push on it too hard. You don't want the bulb to break. You don't want the glass to break and get little shards of glass in your fingers. That's not fun, you know. I've had that before. It's not good. So just grab it and just turn to the left, and then it should just pull right out of there. We'll get our new bulb. So our new bulb here, you can see how it goes in. See, there's an offset on these little indentations that come out. So you want to make sure you get it lined up correctly, because you want the indentation that's closer to the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. See that? The indentation that's closer to the bottom is going to go right there. So you get it lined up correctly in the socket. So go ahead and just turn it to the right like that. The socket, you can see it's got like prongs that it's got to line up with in there. I just go with feel. So like I'll kind of start like to the back and kind of push forward, and then just kind of rotate till I feel where it sets in there correctly, and then I'll turn it. Because you can't, it's really hard to see what's going on here. So I'll just roll that back a little bit. Right there. So that's where I got it. And then we're going to turn it to the right. And that's it. We'll reinstall our coolant bottle. Of course, we're going to check to make sure we fixed it. Look at that, same speed. Put the four ways on, and we'll check the bulb. Woo! There we go. There you have it, folks. We fixed the fast blinker.